Hey everyone, and thanks for jumping back into the cryptoverse. We got to do it live. We have to do it live. We're gonna see if we make it here. Let me just post this a few different places, and we will jump in. We're at 2490. Okay, we are coming in at 2490. Let me just 2491. 24. Yeah. All right. Let's go over. So our new all-time high is now 2495. So we'll draw the line in the sand. That's 2500. We're almost there. Bitcoin is at 63.5. So Bitcoin's doing relatively well. Someone says 600,000 Ethereum by Saturday. I don't know about that. I don't know about that. I probably need to draw a door here. You know, I'm going to draw the chimney, but I'm not necessarily the most optimistic that we're going to break through 2,500 on the first go. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. Yeah, Bitcoin dominance is at 53.77. Ethereum's at 2493. It's been a long time coming, folks, if we make it to 2,500. A long time coming. Give the video a thumbs up if you guys want to see a $2,500 Ether. Make sure you guys subscribe too. We are so close. I probably should have drawn a slightly wider house because this is only gonna take like 15 minutes to get past it. Maybe I need to draw a bigger house. We'll leave this one for now. We'll see if we make it. We're currently at so Bitcoin's at 63.5. So Bitcoin's doing relatively well. The Ether Bitcoin valuation is now still at 0.0392. So it's actually gone a little down. It's gone down slightly since we were looking at it earlier. No, I don't think Ethereum's going to make it $25,000 this year. No. Yeah, Dogecoin is going pretty crazy right now. Yeah, I saw that. Yeah, we recently did launch. We'll have more stuff coming. We'll have more stuff coming in a few days, but you guys wore me down so much over the last several months that I finally created some T-shirts and stuff. So I'll post it in the chats if you guys want to check it out. You can grab yourself a T-shirt or a coffee mug. We'll have other things at some point, like hoodies or water bottles. But yeah, let's focus on the charts right now. Ethereum is at 2489. Yeah, where's Link? Yeah, Link's still just shy of 43. I mean, it was at 44 earlier, but someone says Doge is too risky not to hold. I don't know about that. Make sure the garage is up. We're already past the garage because I drew a pretty small house. I drew a pretty small window here. Yeah, we can take a look at the RSI. Well, I'm a little worried that if I get too distracted by looking at some other charts, I'm gonna miss it. No, don't schedule the Forbes interview. $24.91. Yeah, I think it's a house for ants. It's a relatively small house. I wasn't thinking when I drew it. I looked over at the Ethereum price and I saw it at 24.87 and I was like, oh, I just gotta hop on really quick. Our current all-time high now is at a modest 24.95. Bitcoin still below its prior all-time high. I mean, Bitcoin, let's go back to Ethereum. We're a new all-time high. We're a new all-time high, 24.95.50. We just hit 24.95.50. Here we are, 24.90 or 90. Okay, we went down $1. All right, we're climbing the stairs. 24.95.60. 24.90. We just hit a new all-time high again. 24.96.47. We want to go home. Let's take it home. Let's bring it home. We're almost there. 2,500. Let's get there. I don't want to miss it. It would be a shame if I missed the first time $2,500 Ether happened on live stream. All right, we just new all-time high, 24.96.60. We're so close. We just hit 24.96. We're now at 24.95.80. Make sure you guys subscribe and give the video a thumbs up if you like the content. I hope we make it, guys. I hope we make it. I don't want to have to keep making too many more $2,500 Ethereum Watch Party live streams. I mean, we'll do it if we have to, because it's honest work and someone's got to do it. But I would like for us to just make it there now. We caught 2,000 on live stream. I remember that. And we actually bounced off the top of the house, too, if you guys remember. All right, 24.97.60, a new all-time high. We're putting in a new all-time high every minute right now, basically. Let's see, what's the rest? Dot's looking okay at 43.55. ADA's 147, Link 42.65. We did a video on Link earlier today. Fairly bullish on Link. 24.97.60 is our new all-time high. So $2.40 short of 2,500. And I don't care if someone tells me, oh, it hit 2,500 on some BS exchange. I don't care. Yeah, it's 2501 on some. Is it? No. Is it really 2,500 on Coinbase? It's 24.99 on Coinbase. All right, we're gonna watch it on Coinbase for a minute. 24.99.62. 24.99.62. Let's 24.99.70. 24.99.75. 78 is the new all-time high. 24.99.78. We're so close. $24.99. So we're $1 away. Sorry, I'm just trying to draw the line. We're $1 away. Yeah, I'm sure some people are going to want to take profits at 25. All right, there's our line. There's our line in the sand. 24.9901. Yeah, it's actually a lot lower on Bitfinex. It's like $5 lower. So yeah, we'll watch it on Coinbase here. 24.9901. Normally we see this after the first approach. It doesn't break it. Well, yeah, see, you can see it going down. A lot of times after that first approach, it doesn't make it. We saw this at 2K. We saw it at 1400. At 2000, after it finally broke through, it then actually went to like 2040, I believe. Yeah, I know. You guys are always gonna tell me that it's higher on CoinMarketCap. Is it 2500 once it updates here? It might be. Well, it just pulled back. So we were unable to get there so far. I'm not counting it. I don't care if you saw it 2500. We haven't seen it yet, so it hasn't happened. All right, we'll draw a new house because I mean the problem is this one it's trading $5 lower on Bitfinex than Coinbase, which seems a little strange to me. So we're gonna follow it on Coinbase. Let's see. So this is at 14. All right, we're at 24.89, so we have dropped down a little bit. Bitcoin also pulled back, so we know that Ethereum is essentially slave to what Bitcoin's doing. If it's pulling back, but the Ether Bitcoin valuation still looks pretty good at 0.0392. Remember, 0.04 gets us to 2,500. It gets us over 2,500, in fact. Yeah, I mean, there was a correction after 1400. There was a correction after 2000. Yeah, I mean, as I said before, I think, and I told you guys this once we broke 2000, was that I don't think 2100, 2200, 2300, or 2400. I don't think any of those are major milestones. Okay, I don't think any of those are major milestones. 2500 for me was the next major milestone, and if we correct here, and go back down and consolidate for a while, I think that's probably a good thing. If, on the other hand, we blow past 2,500 and go to 3K or 3,500, then we're going to be getting into some serious territory in the short term. For now, we're going to see I'm just going to see what happens here. We're currently at 24.90. Someone says the houses are always colonials. Are we? How's Ada doing? Yeah, Ada's still at $1.46. Rock says he doesn't get the house. Do they not cover house TA, house and garage TA on the other channels you guys watch? It's kind of strange. Ruben says he watched my first 3 Ada videos and got emotional. Yeah, it's probably not good for your health to go watch the Ada videos at like 5 cents or 2 cents. Oh, they showed you house and motel TA. Okay. Yeah, Ethereum's doing well. It's almost like it's not dead. Almost like it's not dead, right? Huh. Ruben says, I remember you saying, doesn't really matter if you buy it at 4 or 6, we could laugh at those prices a year from now. Yep. The market changes quickly. Someone says, shouldn't there be a Lambo in the garage? I don't think so. I don't think we're at Lambo territory here. We might be at like I don't know. I drive an '07 Chevy. I'm not a really good drawer of cars though, and you can't really draw. I'm not gonna be really able to draw a car that's facing forward. I can't really draw cars. I'll just draw it sideways. It's gonna like a little. Now this is a car. This is our car. It's not a Lambo. It's a it's nothing to get out of bed for. That's what it is. I'll tell you this. I did not. I did not. There was a reason I became an engineer and not an artist. Okay, there's a reason. There's a reason why I'm not an artist. All right, we're at 24.94. Let's see if we can make a run back up to 25. I can assure you I'm not an artist. And make sure you guys give the video a thumbs up. Let's get to 1,000 likes. We got 3,600 viewers. There's no reason we can't get to 1,000 likes. And subscribe to the channel too, if you guys are looking for a $2,500 ether. We're almost there. 24.95. Trying to go home. We should probably have a moment of silence for the house the house we were watching yesterday that never became a home. We never entered it. The new Bob Ross. I don't know. Someone says we should play chess. I don't think we're going to play chess when Ethereum's sorting with an all-time high. Is that a Tesla Cybertruck? Is that what it is in the garage? Alright, we're still $8 or $8.50 away. Bitcoin is at 63.5. So, I mean, Bitcoin is still a little ways from its prior all-time high. We're not quite there. $7 away. Why is the garage bigger than the house? That's a good question. We can expand the house if we need to. You don't really need a big house, right? You just need room to sit at a computer and watch crypto, right? You don't really need a big house. Yeah, so we've seen it. We saw it when it hit 2,000 and when it hit 1,400, it hit it a couple times and then came down. Okay, so even on the next approach, like even if we come back up to 2,500, that doesn't necessarily mean we're gonna decisively break it. We've seen many times before where it takes like several tests to actually decisively break through. So currently we're at 24.96.80. right, we are at 24.97.10, so we're about $3 away from a modest $2,500 ether. All right, 24.97. $3 away. Yeah, Bitcoin is slowly inching up itself. I mean, it's at 63,559, so it's doing something over there. It's not necessarily just sitting still. We're still $5 away, guys. We still have a little ways to go. Ether Bitcoin is still, I mean, you know, you can see the weekly candle still looks pretty good. We're up 9.5% on the week. Is Doge really someone said it's 19 cents? Is it? Or did it? That is ridiculous. That is absolutely ridiculous. I mean, it's almost at 20 cents. I told you guys a lot of times in bull markets, fundamentals don't matter. I mean, this is proof, right? Doge is at 20 cents almost. Yeah, I mean, Doge. Whoa, look at this. Look at this. Now, I'm not saying that history repeats, but that's this is basically the prior Doge Bitcoin all-time high. And it's literally been since February of 2014 since we were last there. So the last time we were at this level was 2,618 days ago. Over 2,600 days ago for the Doge Bitcoin valuation to be this high. We've only been this high once before, and it was on that wick in February of 2014. I mean, I'm not saying what you should do. I'm just saying, you know, you look at it. A nice little bounce off our bull market support band, of course, for the Doge for the Doge Bitcoin valuation. What is this? I mean, it's yeah. Yeah, a lot of people probably will lose a lot of money on Dogecoin. It's unfortunate, but they probably will. John says, when can I snag it into the Cryptoverse T? I actually just launched, as if we didn't have enough indicators that the market is overheated, I just launched a merch store. I'm posting it in the chat, store.intothecryptoverse.com. All we have are some t-shirts and a mug so far. We'll get water bottles, we'll do hoodies. It's just too hard to focus on a lot of that stuff while the market's crazy. So we mainly just got a few t-shirts. You guys can check it out, store.intothecryptoverse.com. All right, we're at 24.94. yeah, I'm just looking at this, and I mean, I don't know. I mean, you guys are seeing the same chart I'm seeing. You make your own conclusions. All right, we're at 24.97 again. All right. We're still trying to get there. 24.96.95. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Give the video a thumbs up if you're looking for a $2,500 Ether. 24.97.99. Our current all-time high on Coinbase is 24.99.78. And that's what we're using. That's what we're using. 24.98. In through the garage, maybe? Time to get in our '07 Chevy. Yeah, we can't look at Ether. I mean, I see it at the top. It's 0.0392, but we got to watch Ether USD right now. We're at 24.98. No, there's nothing on the back of the t-shirts. I'm honestly not a huge fan of writing on t-shirts. I know everyone keeps asking me to like put some of my favorite slogans and stuff on t-shirts. I'm not saying that I won't do it. I probably will, but I'm not the biggest fan of words on shirts. That's why some of the t-shirts you'll see just have the logo, not the words. All right, we're still at 24.97. Make a t-shirt with a $2,500 house. We don't even know yet if this is a $2,500 house. We haven't made it in there yet. We're still, I mean, we came close yesterday and we didn't make it, so we still have to make it. We haven't made it there yet. Yeah, I just kind of like the t-shirts with like the logo in the upper corner. Those like my favorite shirts if there's gonna be something on it. All right, 24.98.72. We're close. Are we going to our car? 24.99.50, 24.99.77. Oh, so close. 24.99.40. I hope you guys left the garage open. 24.99.64. We're almost there. We'll see if we make it. About 60 cents to go. 39 cents, 38 cents. $0.50. We're not in there yet. We are not in there yet. We still have $1 to go, guys. I'm sure. I mean, even if we get to $2,500, there's probably gonna. I imagine there's some sell orders there that we're gonna have to eat through for a while. I imagine a lot of people are selling just shy of $2,500 as well. Bitcoin still at 63.5. Ether Bitcoin's at 0.0392. All right, we're down a couple bucks. Shaboy says he was here. The live stream's under 1,000. Yeah, I was watching a live stream the other day, and it was like we were watching Ethereum. We were watching it break like $1,000, or I think we were watching it break 1,200. All right, 24.99.74. This is the all-time, or no, 24.99.78 is the all-time high now. So we're 26 cents from 2,500. All right, a new all-time high, 24.99.92, 99. Oh, we just hit 24.99.99. We just hit it. There we are, 24.99.99. Whew, 1 cent. There we got it. We got it. 2,500. All right, we're gonna snip that. We made it. We made it. I got the little. I took the little snip of it, so I have it. I can save. I'll save this picture, and put it in the record books. All right, guys. Congratulations. It's honest work. It's honest work. All right, 24.99.60. Well, we made it. No, we haven't made it in the garage. No, we have not made it in the garage. We did make it to 2,500 though. We did make it to 2,500, and I think that someone, I'm not sure who it was, but someone in the chat forgot to leave the door open. So maybe you need to open the garage for it to go in. All right, the all-time high is still 2,500. We're still at 20. You can see on Bitfinex it's still 24.98. So I mean that's one reason the floodgates aren't opening either, is because you want to see it happen on all exchanges where it's above 2,500. Stacen says it was him who forgot to open the garage. All right, we're still at 25. I mean, the piranhas are continuing to eat. What's the sell wall look like on Coinbase? I still can't believe you guys forgot to open the garage. We're not even at 24.99 on Bitfinex still. It's at 24.98.80. It's just on Coinbase it hit 2,500. I don't even know if it hit it on Bitfinex, honestly. Forbes is on the line. I'd say cancel the interview. We still have work to do. Articulate Design says we didn't forget the house is powered by Elon Musk solar panels. We ran out of energy. All right, we're still at 2,500. Let the piranhas eat the wall. Hopefully it'll break. We're close. At least one thing we know is the foundation of our house is pretty strong. It's a good foundation. Yeah, I know on some of the exchanges. It's actually, if you look at Bitfinex, it's actually at 2502. So it's funny because Bitfinex is now flipped. Now Bitfinex is higher. It's at 2502 on Bitfinex. You can see it right here, 2502.70. So it's above $2,500 on Bitfinex right now. Um, so, oh, there goes into the garage, into our garage. 2501. We made it. We made it. We said it could take a couple tests here, right? I mean, I'm honestly surprised it only took two to break it. But here we are. We're in our garage. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel if you guys like the content and you want to be here for the cycle. Someone says Binance is still at 24.98. Yeah, I'm not that surprised if there's a few exchanges still below it because we're still just sitting slightly above it. So yeah, it's probably still eating through some sell walls on some exchanges. Right into the car. We're still moving up. We're at 2502.22. Why do I not own any DeFi projects? How do you know that I don't own any DeFi projects? It's a very presumptuous thing to say. We're still at 2502.22. On Bitfinex, we're at 2502.50, so we are above 2500. Yeah, I mean, there's no reason to look at ADA right now. I mean, it's still at 147. It hasn't broken out. Um, all right, well, we made it. What more do you want? We put in an honest day's work. Yeah, seriously, the people that were telling you guys that Ethereum was dead is ridiculous. Oh, we're back below it. Back out of the garage. Maybe we'll go back in the front door. I actually need to run to the bathroom, but I'll be back in like a minute. All right, out of the garage. All right, 24.93. Let's see what Doge is doing. Yeah, we're back down. Bitcoin 63.4. Ether is at 24.92. Let's see if we can move back up and go back in. So the current all-time high on Coinbase for Ether is now 25.02.22. Someone says it never made it to 2.5 on Binance. Is that true? Is that true? ETH USD on Binance. Yeah, it looks like it did. I mean, look, right here, you can see it went above. There were several wicks above it. Yeah, we got rejected by the side of the house. Looks like we got rejected by the side of the house right here. What do you mean? I mean, I just looked at it on Binance. There's several wicks right here above 2,500. I'm looking at them. Dominance is dropping. Link Bitcoin is pulled back slightly to 67,000 Satoshis. Yeah, there's some mixed messages in the chat. Some people are saying it maybe it's the difference between Binance and Binance US. Maybe that's where the discrepancy is. Oh, they're saying Ethereum USDT did not hit 2,500 on Binance. Yeah, I am doing international shipping on the merchandise, but the international shipping admittedly is pretty expensive just because it's by weight, and I don't have any warehouses in anywhere other than the United States. So there is international shipping, but it's not cheap to ship internationally. Yeah, we do have the merchandise finally launched for Into the Cryptoverse. So if you guys want to check it out, you can find it in the description below, or you can post it in the chat as well. I'm pretty happy, honestly, because I went to bed last night wondering if I was gonna miss $2,500 on live stream. We gotta catch them all. We gotta catch all the major milestones, and I wouldn't want to miss 2,500. Would I consider doing more fundamental analysis on altcoins? I mean, we did one on Ethereum. I just get the sense that more people just want to watch the charts. I mean, we'll probably do some more of it. right, well, I don't know. Should we stay on or should we just call it? We made it to 2,500, so I don't know what more you guys want. That's the second person that's asked if that's a Tesla Cybertruck in the garage. Maybe that is what it is. Like, I kind of want to end the stream because I never actually ate lunch, and lunch was a long time ago. Well, I did eat something, I guess. Yeah, there is merchandise for if you're in London. It's just you have to pay for shipping, and shipping's not cheap. What is my job? I design houses. I'm in the United States. No, I'm not a vegan. How do you know when someone's a vegan? They tell you. They tell you they're vegan. It's kind of the same thing with engineers, though, too. How do you know someone's an engineer? They'll tell you. I don't have anything wrong. I mean, my wife's a vegetarian. I'm not. All right. Well, this has been fun. We caught $2,500 Ethereum on stream. Here's the proof. Right here is the proof. We hit it on stream. We'll put this one in the archives, I guess. We did make it to $2,500. Whoo, look at that candle. I might need to draw the door a little bit over because we're getting close there. 24.97 all of a sudden. I don't know if we're going for the... I mean, the front door... We're sort of already past the front door. I mean, if we made it now, we would sort of be in it, but it looks like we're going to pass it. But this line is somewhat crooked, so maybe we need to fix it. Yeah, we're at 24.97.29. All right, well, maybe we should wrap it up. Well, I'm just sort of seeing if we have one more run at 2,500 here. We're back to 24.98, so we're close. 24.99. Maybe I should draw a window. Yeah, we're at 24.99 again, so we're close. $24.99.99. We just went back up to like right below 2,500 there. Back to our solid foundation. Yeah, Link has been on fire the last couple days. $24.99. So close. $24.99.99 again. All right, we're back at 25. Hey, we're back at 25. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel if you guys like the content again. I think we just hit 307,000 subscribers actually. Yeah, we're at 307. Thank you. 307. Oh, into the window. Just like we drew it out, folks. Just like we drew it out. We're back at 2502.22, which is where we stopped last time. Yeah, I'll try to do. Someone asked if we're going to do a video on how to stake ADA with the IT. Yeah, if you guys have ADA, remember you can check out the ITC stake pool. Turn interest on your ADA if you want to stake with me. I'm running 8 virtual machines, so we should have nothing but uptime. Hopefully, I mean I don't see any reason why we wouldn't. So, 8 virtual machines around the world. Should have uptime on the stake pool. All right, 2503.70. We're starting to move. I need to. We're starting to move here. 2503. So we're putting in new all-time highs again. 2503.93 is the new all-time high on Coinbase. Someone says I should draw a chimney on the right side of the house. We're actually getting to the edge of the house. I don't know that we can fit a chimney unless it's on like the very edge of it. 2503.70. So the new all-time high now is 2504.25. So we're still putting in new all-time highs here, going up the side of our house. Sorry, I just tweeted about Ethereum. I said, so I'm on a live stream, and Ethereum's 2,500, and it's pretty cool, but I cannot help but wonder, and it's really bugging me, what would a $2,600 Ethereum feel like? It's like doesn't it bug you? Like, we now know what $2,500 Ethereum is, so you're just sitting there wondering, like, what would a $2,600 Ethereum feel like? And you just can't help but wonder, or you can't help but wonder. We're all just sitting here wondering what it would feel like. We don't know, because we've never been there. We don't know. All right, we made it through the house. We made it through the house. Um, we'll screen capture the whole house. We made it through. Um, we're over $2,500 Ethereum, 2503.10 at the time of this one. So congratulations to those who did not listen to those people telling you to sell your Ethereum because it was dead. And congratulations if you told them they don't know what they're talking about and they're spouting a bunch of useless nonsense. Congratulations. So we're now at a $2,500 Ethereum. And on we go, right? On we go. We'll see. I mean, we could come back down, right? We could come back down. We could go back down and consolidate for a while. That's what we did at 2K. So I don't want anyone to think that we're immediately going to go to $2,600 necessarily. I'm not saying we're not, but let's not bet the family farm on that. None of this is financial advice. But I just want. We'll take it one step at a time, right? We'll take it one step at a time. We got a $2,500 Ethereum. Bitcoin's at 63.4. The entire market's pretty hot right now. We already know the market's hot. If you need another indicator that the market's hot, remember I did launch the Into the Cryptoverse merch store.intothecryptoverse.com. Check it out if you guys want to get a t-shirt or something. But other than that, why don't we call it? We made it through the house. We interacted not only with our garage, we touched the car back in through the window. We're looking at a $2,500 Ethereum. So why don't we end it there? Thank you guys for tuning in. Definitely make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit that subscribe button. Give the video a thumbs up. And we will see you next time.